Hey, what's up, guys? And thanks for joining. Today, we're going to have a look at the Nova R Smart Ring. This ring only weighs 3 grams. So you can put this on your finger, totally forget that you're wearing it because it's so light. And at the same time, in the background, it's monitoring and recording so much data for your health. Now, we're going to have a closer look at the Nova R Smart Ring right after this. Let's dive right into the unboxing. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and also share it out, as it truly does help out my channel. Let's open it up. Here's the ring. I'm definitely digging the width of this ring, and it's extremely light at approximately 3 grams. So you can wear this all day and not even feel it. Here are all the items that come inside the packaging. Of course, you have the Nova R Smart Ring, Type A to Type C charge cable, charging dock, manual instructions, and quick guide. To charge this, you can see that connector right there will line up to this here. So all you have to do is place it like that and it begins to charge. But of course you have to plug it in, and there's no charge brick that comes with it, so you will need to provide your own. That's pretty cool how it charges. And that is magnetic, if you are concerned or worried about that. Size testing just to ensure that it does fit me. You want this sensor right here to face up or towards your palm. Fits just right. Just to cover some quick specs, the Nova R Smart Ring is made out of titanium and alloy. As mentioned earlier, it only weighs 3 grams. Off a single charge, you can get between 4 to 7 days. And just off a 1-hour charge, you can get up to 5 days of use out of it. There's no subscription fees to enjoy the benefits of this ring. And it is 5 ATM water resistant or waterproof. Now, if you're worried or concerned about durability, it's definitely durable. It's made out of titanium and alloy. Durability should not be a question. Designed for 24/7 wear, and it has built-in real health monitoring. It supports up to 128 sports, including surfing, cycling, and also provide an all-in-one wellness experience, including sleep monitoring. You're also able to track your heart rate, blood oxygen. You can do meditations and also daily tasks, which includes logging your mood, meals, and meaningful moments. Now, in order to power the ring on, you would need to go ahead and put it on the charging dock. That way it can power on. That red light that's flashing shows that it's charging. Now you can go ahead and download the app and go ahead and get this set up. To download the app, you will just go ahead and scan that QR code. And as you can see there, it's compatible with iOS and Android. Once you have that installed, you go ahead and open it up. If you don't have an account, you just go ahead and do sign up and go through the process. And there it is. Tap over just like I did. And as you can see, it's loading. As you can see, it is finally connected and it's all set up. There's no data, obviously, because I have not been wearing it since it's been connected. So if I go through all these different tabs, there's no data there. However, what I'm going to do is go ahead and wear this for a few days, and then I will come back so we can look at some data and see how everything looks. So I had a week to test out this ring, and I got to tell you, I'm quite impressed with it. First of all, it's so light, you barely recognize that it's on. Take a look at the finish. Very nice and stylish. I worn this for a week and was able to collect some data, as you can see here. Look at what it states at the top. A gentle nudge from your sleep guardian. For the past week, I have been waking up in the middle of the night, and there's more details below. It also monitors your activity, as you can see here. Of course, if you tap into it, you can get more detail regarding it. And it states here for recovery, it says good 85%. If I tap here, you have more information regarding why they're giving a score of 85. Actually add daily tags. You can go in here, add those daily tags. Let's go back out of here. And if you go into sleep, it has details regarding my sleeping habits. Again, I've been waking up in the middle of the night, taking care of some other things. But as you can see here, it shows the up and down, and it has more details regarding that. Tap Start Exercise. You have several different exercise types you can choose from. And the list goes on and on, as I mentioned before. You're able to measure your heart rate and your heart rate variability, blood oxygen, and then stress levels. You can go in here, and you have more about your recovery and overall detailed scoring here, which is really cool. And then if I go here, more about your sleeping habits. Go here, click to play a sound. So if I press this, it's on a campfire, and that's when you can participate in either stress or sleep aid while you're taking those breaths. If you want to stop it, just tap there to stop it. And if you go to any one of these, you're able to download any one of these meditation courses. So that's 10 minutes. You can go over here. As you can see, it's 8 minutes. And you can just go through that process to help you relax. So many different options in here to calm you down and to reduce stress. If I go to the last tab, you see these options here. And one is called firmware. So I can check and see if there are any updates. I want to make sure you go there. And as it states there, it's showing current. So that's good to know. And again, this ring, wearing it, you barely notice it, comfortable to wear. For just wearing this ring and to be able to track so much details, I think it's definitely worth it. Now, if you're interested in the Nova R Smart Ring, please use the link in the description section of this video. This completes my review of the Nova R Smart Ring.